Welcome to our full guide on Progressive Snapshot. Today, we'll explore how this innovative tool can save you money on your car insurance while promoting safer driving habits. Progressive Snapshot uses cutting-edge technology to collect data on your driving habits, including speed, braking, and time of day you drive. So, who can use Snapshot? It's available to most Progressive customers. Signing up is simple, just follow a few easy steps in the Progressive app. Your driving data will include factors such as acceleration, braking, sharp turns, and the time of day you drive. Let's see what these metrics reveal. By using Snapshot, you can earn discounts on your insurance premium, up to 30% depending on your driving habits. Progressive is committed to protecting your data. All information collected by Snapshot is secure and kept private. To maximize your Snapshot experience, always practice safe driving techniques. Remember to obey speed limits and avoid sudden maneuvers. Have more questions? Let's address some frequently asked questions about Snapshot features and functionality. Thank you for joining us on this overview of Progressive Snapshot. Remember, safe driving not only protects you but also rewards you.